Financial intelligence is a crucial skill set that empowers individuals to make informed decisions about money management and investments. Within the realm of financial intelligence, there are 4 key pillars that form the foundation of financial knowledge and expertise. These pillars encompass various aspects of financial literacy, analysis, and decision-making, enabling individuals to navigate the complex world of finance more effectively. By understanding and harnessing these 4 pillars, individuals can enhance their financial well-being and make sound financial choices. Financial intelligence is made up of these 4 main technical skills: accounting, investing, understanding markets, and the law. Let's explore each of these pillars and their significance in building financial intelligence. Accounting is essential for maintaining financial health, ensuring compliance, and informed decision-making. Its benefits span across various aspects of a business, from operational efficiency to strategic growth, making it an indispensable part of any organization. Investing offers numerous benefits, from growing wealth and ensuring financial security to hedging against inflation and achieving personal financial goals. It also provides opportunities for diversification, tax advantages, and contributing to economic growth, making it a key component of a sound financial strategy. Understanding markets is crucial for making informed decisions, managing risks, and gaining a competitive advantage. It enhances strategic planning and customer relations, contributing to financial stability and long-term success. Understanding the law offers numerous benefits, from ensuring compliance and protecting rights to enhancing decision-making and managing risks. It contributes to business success, financial savings, and ethical conduct, empowering individuals and fostering better governance and community contribution. It is the basic foundation, or the combination of these skills, that is needed to be successful in the pursuit of wealth, whether it be through the buying of small homes, apartment buildings, company stocks, bonds, precious metals, or the like.